out the new Maleficent trailer look. So this is really the only look we have seen so far that is different from the original Maleficent movie, and I saw it and I about had a cow. So I am going to try to recreate this look today with the black, and I also have my horns from my original Maleficent video that I will link up in the cards and down below. So the first part of this tutorial, I'm going to go through and create her iconic cheekbone structures. I'm not going to go in depth and show you the exact step-by-step process of this because I actually already have it in the first Maleficent video. So I'm just gonna fast forward and show you a quick little bit of how I'm going to create the cheekbones, and I will be right back. So that's all I'm going to do for the contouring for right now, but I think the cheeks don't look too shabby. They're not quite even, but that's okay. So I'm going to take my NYX Professional Eyebrow Pencil and kind of mark out where her cap is that we're going to fill in with black, and then we're going to start working on the red eye piece that she has. So cool. So let's get to tracing. Alright, I'm going to take this craft tape and going to put that along where the red is going to stop. So hers kind of stops right above where her eyebrow line is. And the good thing about this kind of tape, oh wow, I look funny. The good thing about this kind of tape is that it comes off easily and it doesn't ruin the makeup that you already put down. So what can be better than that? Alright, so first things first, I'm going to take this NYX cream color in red and prime around where my eyes and stuff are going to be. So let's see, I'm going to just kind of dip out a little bit of this and put it on the back of my hand. I'm mainly going to try to prime around where I know it's going to kind of crease on me, and that's going to be around my eyelids. And a little bit right underneath where my eyes are. Okay, now I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and use colors the Crayon Apple, the Hunts, the Roxanne, the Jacks, all these red shades. We're gonna get it done. Yes. Alright, now I'm going to take the black in this Jaclyn Hill palette, which is color Abyss, and we're going to smoke around our eyes a little bit now. Smoke it up. She looks like she has a little bit of a smoky eye in here as well. Right now I feel like I look like Jack Sparrow from one of the Pirates of the Caribbean movies. You see it? You see it? I see it. Okay, now the most satisfying part of taping For eyeshadows, we're going to remove the tape. Yes, there we go. Okay, so I am going to fix this up a little bit. All right, now I'm going to take that, where did it go? This eyebrow pencil and just kind of fill in my eyebrows a little bit. Because you can still kind of sort of see her eyebrows underneath the red. Okay, so I am also going to go ahead and do a winged liner using the NYX Epic Liner Pencil. Alright, and then some mascara. This is the CoverGirl Total Tease mascara. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and draw on her lips before I start with the black body paint. So I'm going to take this NYX lip liner and kind of overdraw my lips a little bit. That's the biggest complaint I got on my last Maleficent video, was that I didn't make her lips Angelina Jolie big enough. So we're going to try to overline our lips and make our lips look nice and plump. Okay, and I'm going to use this Glamorous Chicks Cosmetic liquid lip because she has more of like a burgundy color lips. So I'm going to try and see if this will match the color that she has on in the picture. Okay, so I think I successfully gave myself Angelina style lips, as much as I could give myself lips. So now I'm going to take the Mayron Black Paradise paint. Open. There we go. And I'm going to start filling in her cap and start on the bottom of her dress. So I did go ahead and like outline, I don't even know if you can see, outline little bits of her dress. You know, her dress has all these crazy like cuts and stuff in it. It looks, I'm just really interested to know what this dress is about. So we're going to try to recreate the dress, and let's start with the fast forward video content. Okay, so now I'm going to start with some highlights. So I'm going to take the NYX white liner and kind of highlight where my cheekbones are and highlight a little bit on this dress to make it look more 3D, but I am so excited about how this is turning out. Okay, I'm going to put my horns on and I'll be right back. Okay, so that was my Maleficent part 2 makeup tutorial. I truly hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love how it turned out. If you want to see more looks like this, make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and go follow me on all social media platforms. I post every single weekday on Instagram, so make sure to go follow me over there at elisabethmariesc, and I will see you guys next week for another fun makeup tutorial. Bye!